Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now you need to enter your current passcode and tap on Set up Face ID. Following that, just get started and follow all of those instructions presented below. Remember to keep your face in frame. Then click on one of those options to select the best one for you. Use Face ID with a mask, don't use Face ID with a mask, or set up later. I will go with set up later. So now I need to click on Done and manage all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to them. So for example, if you don't want to use your Face ID to unlock Wallet and Apple Pay, just click on this switcher and select Continue. If you wish to enable it, click on the same one. You can also set up an alternative appearance, for example with your glasses, and click on this switcher if you decide to enable Face ID with a mask. When you're ready, you need to go back, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I guess that Face ID is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you need to access exactly the same settings. Enter your login method and scroll down. Now click on Reset Face ID, and as you can see after that, it was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!